One of the most underrated skills for the man interested in getting together with women is the ability to quickly identify the women who are looking for the same things that he is. Three behaviors that will tell you when your woman is horny. Number 1. She is mean to you. When a woman wants to go to bed with a man and starts feeling like she is having a tough time getting what she wants, she is pretty naturally and completely understandably going to start getting pretty damn annoyed. Remember, mean girls are horny girls. Mean is different from indifferent, so make sure not to get confused. That one can take several forms. If a woman is cold and aloof, she might be in auto rejection. Mean is acting like you are stupid, busting your balls, being rude, being selfish, getting angry. Number 2. She is distracted. Ever notice a group of girls where one of the girls is looking around a little feverishly, constantly scanning the crowd and being a lot more open and or flirtatious than her girlfriends? That's a big sign that something else is on her mind. Number 3. She is personally flirtatious. Personal flirtatiousness is what you are going to run into when a girl wants what you have to offer and trust that you can lead her to satisfaction. It means that so far she feels like you are doing everything right and she wants you to keep everything moving ahead.